guys, I just want to give a big shout out to all the folks that subscribe to the new channel, Rusty Dubs. Also, man, Jason Vogan, I appreciate you putting the word out for me. I hope you guys enjoy this build. I'm super excited to get on with it. The first few videos are going to be a little bit kind of like not a continuous timeline, just because that I've been filming on this car for a while now. And so some of the stuff is when I had time to step away from the Baja build and I was messing with it. And then we're going to work our way all the way up to the present day. But again, thanks so much, man, for watching the videos and subscribing. Definitely hit that notification bell if you want to know when I upload a video. And let's get on with the show. What's up, guys? Long time no see. Back on the 63 Ragtop Bug today. I'll kind of show you what I've got going on. Hang on, let me flip this. I've been hand making these corners and stuff on the car. And I went ahead, I got this one done and started up this way. And I was unhappy with this way I fabricated this piece here. And so I went to a kind of a graveyard of Volkswagens and stuff, and I purchased a back window. So what I'm about to do is I've got to grind out all the paint and stuff where I can see where all the spot welds are. And I bought a tool, it's a spot weld cutter. So I'm gonna clear them out, try to drill out the spot welds and see if I can separate the outer from the inner shell. Okay, you can kind of see where each of the little spot welds are. I'm gonna drill those bad boys out and use a spot weld cutter and see if I can get this all separated. Alright guys, just kind of got it cleaned up, kind of fit it in there. Trying to make the decision, do I put the whole thing in or do I section it? I'm scared that I'm going to mess up the spacing between the inside pieces and the outside pieces. If I just cut the whole thing out, it may be too floppy and yucky. So I may just do sections at a time, the ones that are bad. Okay, I'm just right now kind of getting my head around what I'm going to do. This is section number 1. Broke it into sections, that way when I go to cut, they don't get mixed up, and I transferred the same thing over to here, section 1, section 2, section 3. So yeah, I got a little bit of cutting to do, but we'll see how this goes. I'm kind of going around right now and figuring out the sections as far as to cut out to make the back window happy. Kind of got like a little template deal that I've got going on here. But then I'm gonna drink beer and get in the pool. I don't think I'll weld it tonight.